Hey, this is Reed, and this is Meet the Team. Hi, my name's Reed. I'm head of the UK sales department. Me and my team are responsible for the servicing of customers and assisting them throughout their trading journey, right from the very start, ensuring they get the most out of their trading with XTB. Our team of dedicated account managers are split up into two teams to ensure maximum efficiency from a customer service perspective. These are the new business and retention team. The new business team are on hand to assist you during your account opening process to ensure a smooth onboarding with XTB. Once your account is ready to be traded, it's then moved to our retention team who have more experience in the market and are able to offer more in-depth support, such as trading strategies, risk management techniques, and market research. I think this makes XTB unique because we're able to provide a more personal approach to customers regardless of their experience level. And clients feel like they're in safer hands knowing they have a personal account manager readily available throughout the entire process. Education is one of the most important aspects in trading because the markets isn't something that you can enter blindly. Improving your trader's knowledge is vital to becoming a seasoned trader. And at XTB, we provide a wide array of free education. These include online trading courses, webinars, face-to-face mentoring, and also market research. XStation 5 is our award-winning trading platform. It packs a punch in terms of features. This includes professional charting tools, real-time market news, and fast execution. This is extremely important for traders and investors because trading requires a powerful piece of technology. And XStation is able to offer cutting-edge technology while still being very easy to use due to its customizability. It can also be used across multiple different devices, including your PC, iPhone, and Android, so managing your investments on the go is made simple.